Hello, I'm Wayne and welcome back to ShoeBoxTech. Again, today is just a quick simple video on a Bluetooth USB adapter for the PC. This is the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 Nano USB adapter. Simple and easy to use, plug and play, plug it into one of your spare USB ports on your PC and you're going to have full Bluetooth functionality. I bought this specifically to connect to this bad boy, Windows Mixed Reality headset. Like and subscribe to the channel to see a future video, upcoming video on this piece of tech. But these controllers require Bluetooth. So, can't wait to set that up. Tiny, yeah. Pop that in. It's bleep straight away. I can see that the Bluetooth functionality on the PC has been switched on. Is there a light indicator on it? No, it doesn't look like there's a light indicator on it. I've got these iFrogs true wireless earbuds. Again, like and subscribe if you want to see a video on these as well. They're a great little pair of headsets, headphones really, and great value for money. Let's pop them out and see if we can connect these to it. Okay, then you can see that, but straight away keep showing up. Connecting. I can hear an audio cue in my ear to say it's connected. Yeah, and that's great. So this is copyright-free music. I can hear it clearly in the headphones. Again, just quick, simple, easy video. You'll find a link in the description if you want to purchase one of these Bluetooth USB adapters. Thanks for watching.